Buenos dias, Chaffinches. Let's going to start our new unit for this week. We leave our unit of measurement of money behind. We finish it now. We are going to do fractions. So we did it before. We introduced a little bit before. So we have seen it, and now we are going to try to learn a little bit more. So let's see. Fraction. What is the meaning? When you go riding your bicycle and you fall over and then you fracture your bone, you split it, you cut it, you broke it. So fractions is going to be that. Split, break, divide. You can divide it into if you break your arm, yeah? So you cut it in two pieces. So fractions, the thing on fractions is that it's split in equal parts, yeah? Do we remember that? So we learn how to, if we have a chocolate bar, and I split it into 4 equal parts. Sorry, because doesn't look that equal, does it? My drawing. So if you split it into 4 equal parts, then we learn how to represent a fraction. And then we learn that we have to do a line, and we have our numerator and our denominator. Denominator, the down, the one that goes, the number that goes down. So my denominator, what do I put? What number do I put there to represent my fraction? The denominator is how many equal parts are in total. How many equal parts are in total? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's right. So that is my denominator, 4. Now, if I go and then I get my fraction, and I take, of my chocolate bar, I take one bit of it, only one tiny bit. Yeah? I've taken one. How do I represent now this fraction? Easy. I just put how many bits have been taken of my 4 equal parts. 1. So this fraction is the same as, so this representation is the same as this fraction, 1/4. And then we read it like that. When it's with a 4, we say quarter. When it is like that, we say half, because it's cut in 2, half. What about if it's like that? 1/3. Well done. What about then if it is like that? 1/5, like in a race. Sixth, just going to count it. 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, 1/10, and like that you can carry on, okay? So only 1/2 and 1/4, you say it different, okay? Right, so let's going to see what else. We also learned, and this was a little bit confusing, we also learned to compare fractions, to compare and to order fractions. Now, we have read it with me, 1/2 and 1/8. What is smallest? What fraction is smallest? Okay, right, shall we try? Shall we check it? Let's going to represent 1/2. I have one pizza and I'm cutting it in how many parts? How many equal parts? 2. So you can have 1/2 and another half. Now, I am taking how many bits? 1. I'm taking only 1. Okay, now I have same size pizza. I'm going to try to draw the same size pizza. And it doesn't look the same size pizza, but it is, okay? Imagine it. And then I'm cutting it in how many equal parts? 8. Let's go into do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Right, and I am taking, what I'm taking? 1. Let me do that question again then. What is smallest? 1/2 or 1/8? It is 1/8. Why? Because with fractions it's the opposite. Because a fraction, what you're really doing on a pizza, as more cuts that you do, when you divide it into more pieces, smaller your bit is going to be, isn't it? So if you were getting on the half, if you only cut it in half, and you were getting that much of the pizza, if you keep cutting it into more equal parts, it's going to be smaller. So as bigger is the denominator, and that's what we learned, and that's what we were all saying in class, as bigger is the denominator, smaller gets the fraction. Okay? So you will get a smaller bit. So if I offer you, if you're really hungry, or if I make your favorite cake and I offer you, what do you want? 1/2 of my cake or 1/8? You cannot think, oh, 1/8, I'm going to eat 8 of them. No. You need to think, oh, 1/2, because it's only cut on the half, only 2 bits, and the piece that I'm going to eat is going to be bigger. Okay, so as bigger the denominator, smaller is the fraction. Okay, right, that's what we did, and that's a quick recap about it. Let's going to introduce a little bit today what we are going to be learning this week. What we are going to be learning. So, let me get the pen before it falls. Let me write down this. Just have a look at the board. These pens keep falling over. And I'm going to have how many? It's going to have okay, there are 6 sweets. Why do I know straight away that is 6 sweets? Because I have one row that is 3, and how many times do I have a row of 3 sweets? 1 time and 2 times. So 2 times 3 is 6. So I have in total 6 sweets. Okay? Right. Have a look at this. 1/2. 1/2. I say 1/2, but in my head, straight away, what do I think? What do I think in my head, straight away? I think of 1 part of 2 equal parts. So I say 1/2, but in my head I think that I'm taking 1 of 2 equal parts, isn't it? So I can say that this is this. Alright? Now, let's go to see. We are having, how can I do that? Right, let's see. So we are having this, and then I have 6 sweets, and I want to know what is 1/2 of those 6 sweets. So when I'm talking about fractions, when I'm talking about, fraction, I'm talking about multiply or divide. Divide, isn't it? You have a pizza and you split it, you cut it, you fract it, and then you do it, you cut it, and you divide it into different bits so people can eat it, okay? So I'm thinking of division. So I'm thinking of sharing, don't I? Division, sharing, yeah? So I'm going to share my 6 sweets into 2 equal parts. Are you ready? Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I was thinking, see how many sweets I'm taking. What is 1/2 of my 6 sweets? If I have a bag with 6 sweets and I said, okay, I share with you, but you can only have the half. How many sweets is 1/2? 3. That's right. Let's going to count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of how many I have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then, straight away, I know that 1/2 of 6 is only the half? 3. Well done. Woo! Right. Easy? Let's go to do the next one together. Let me see. Get in your book, open your book, and let's go to do this one together. So, I'm going to have, this time, I have 5 coins. Wait, it's 5 coins, no, I have what? I have 10. I have 5 coins and 2 rows of them. So 5 times 2 is 10. I have 10 coins. Okay? And then 10 coins, I want to know this fraction of my 10 coins. Can you read it for me? 1/5. Now when I say 1/5, I know that is 1/5, but I am thinking absolutely straight away of, and imagine again that that is equal, lovely. I'm thinking straight away of 1 of 5 equal parts. I'm taking 1 of 5 equal parts. Okay, let's go to do it together. On your book, I have 10 coins. And I'm going to, in a fraction, I'm going to share it. I'm going to divide my 10 coins in 5 equal parts. Let's do it. 1 coin, 2 coins, 3 coins, 4 coins, 5 coins, 6 coins, 7 coins, 8 coins, 9 coins, and 10 coins. I have divided all my 10 coins into 5 equal parts. Are they equal? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, equal. If I am saying 1/5, I am thinking how many bits I'm taking of that fraction. I'm taking only 1 part of the fraction. So if I have 1/5 of 10 sweets, what do I get if I have now, well, it wasn't sweets, it was coins. If I have now my purse with 10 coins and I said, okay, I'm going to share it and you can have 1/5 of my money. How much are you going to get? 2. Absolutely right. Okay, so quite easy, isn't it? So your work today, you are going to need to draw the objects I tell you and then share it equally in as many parts as they ask you, and then just take 1 of it. Have a go, your own. Come on then, let's go to do it. On your book, can you please do for me 1 sieve, and then you have how many objects? Okay, right, on your own, have a go. Can you play it again? Can you pause it and then play it when you've done it, okay? Right, so So we have 1/6. So I say 1/6, but in my head straight away, I'm thinking of sharing equally 6 equal parts. Again, it's not equal, Miss Lopez. 6 equal parts and taking one part of it. Only one tiny piece of my 6. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You had 12 coins and you are going to share it equally into 6. So you should have 12 coins shared equally between 6. So you should have that 1/6 of 12 is 2. Correct. Okay. Right, that's your work today. Easy, isn't it? A long video, but then really easy work. It's just because we are doing a new unit and then we haven't done it for ages. Go for it. Have a go. Remember to draw it, to cross it out, share it, show me how you share it equally, and then you can count it easily to get the answer, okay? Adios!